YouTube, this is JT with another video, and as you can see here, I got a little bit more new parts that I'm going to be putting on. I'm not going to be showing anything as far as like the tedious work, the little its and bits of what I have to do, but basically a quick rundown. I'm going to install the rearview mirror. Also, I'm going to be removing this interior door panel because it's a little bit, I want to say beat up, it's a little bit used, and you know, I could just use the one that I have in there. Also, now that I thought about it, since the ST has the interior lights that are color changing, I think I'm going to have to install or replace, well, I'm going to replace the whole door panel, so that doesn't matter. But I'm just looking, I have to replace this door handle because as you can see here, this door handle actually has the button. So I'm going to do that. And that's pretty much it. I think upon further research, it looks like I might need to replace this door because this is pretty pulled back. Again, I'm going to take this to my body guy and see if there's anything that can be done. But if not, we can just get it replaced. Luckily, I was able to find a color matching door, so that's one less thing that I have to pay for. However, there are a few little touch-ups here and there that I will have to pay for, so that's that, but not too bad. This little ding right here. What else? Oh, the wheels. As you can see here, I have the wheels. I took it off. It looks like I might need a tie rod, but I'm going to take it to an alignment guy because I don't know how to do alignments or anything like that, and to see if I just need to get that replaced or not. However, going back to the wheels, these wheels are no longer made. These are the Sparkle Terra, T-A-R-R-A, Terra. Anyway, Sparkle Terra, and I got a hold of Sparco. They told me that they no longer sell their wheels. Tire Rack is the company that takes care of that. So I called Tire Rack, spoke with a sales rep. They told me that they cannot find the SKU for this wheel. So basically what that means is that it's discontinued. They no longer make it. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to buy, well, unfortunately, because I actually did like these wheels in this bronze color. It went really well with the metallic, I believe the color is called metallic, just metallic, so it's like a gunmetal, but I like the contrast. It kind of complements it a little bit, but it's a little bit off, and I actually liked it a lot. I didn't think they were gonna go so well as how they did. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find a set of, these are 16 by 7s. I'm probably gonna find, I want to get like a set of like 17 by 8 or 17 by 7.5. Again, the bolt pattern is 4 by 108, so you know, unfortunately there are a lot of wheels, but not that many to play with in this bolt pattern. I can get a spacer, but I don't like the experience. Right now, this one, I have spacers because that one's a 5 by 108, and I have a 5 by 114 spacer on it. I don't like there's something that's off about it. It could be that the spacers were a little wonked from when I got them, but I'm not 100% sure. At any rate, so yeah, new wheels for this. So when we get back, we should have the door installed and everything good to go. All right, so before we get started, please excuse the mess. Before we get started, I just want to show you the interior of this one, or the interior door panel on this door. Then go over here, open this one up, and voila. So I don't think, it doesn't look like there's an LED there, but that doesn't mean that there's not one in there. I don't see anything. I guess time will tell, huh? Alright, but yeah, just wanted to show you guys the differences. I was looking at the door, I'm like, oh, did I hit the door? Yeah, I don't think we had to worry about that. But yeah, here's the mirror. We're just gonna, because I found it, so you guys can just take a look at it. This is pretty much what it looks like. And yes, it color matches. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? 2017. So the value of this car just went up because it's 2016. However, we have a 2017 rear view mirror, and the door. Oh, hold on. Oh shit. Never mind. The door is actually a 2015. So I guess it balances out. So the value just went back to normal. Oh well. But we have the mirror and we have the door, and we're gonna remove the interior door stuff panel and install that. We'll see where it goes. If you are watching this video for how do you say, tutorial purposes, I don't know why you would do that, but if you are, a quick little thing: you have screws here, one below there, two screws here. You have to pry. You have to pry this out. And you also have a screw in here, right there, that hole. And then you have some wires back here. You remove this, pressure. The only thing is with this one, I was having a little bit of trouble with, so I went to YouTube, where you are probably right now. So I went to YouTube to find out how to remove this, because this one's a little bitch. So what I did was I pulled it out. So I pushed this piece from the back, pop, and then you have to turn it around and then pry it open here. So I guess you put like a little baby screwdriver in there, whatever you got, pry it and pull it, like so. So again, you push this little tab that you're gonna see it right here. You push it down. I used a, which I shouldn't have used it, but I used basically like a little razor blade. And yeah, right there. So the little tip, again, I do not recommend watching these videos for help on how to do this. It's just a little vlog and a trip down my journey of how, you know, I get this stuff done. But yeah, just in case. Alright, well, since I'm here, as you can see, I put the mirror on, the rearview mirror. That's on, plugged in. Still haven't, what do you call it? Still haven't had the chance to get everything done as far as putting the door in. However, just checking all this stuff out, seeing what I have to do while I'm here. As I was saying, so the reason why I'm here with the replacement door is to show you something really quick, and basically the little snafu that I had. So there's a cap that goes, there's a cap that goes right here, which I haven't put the cap on there yet. If you look inside, there's a Torx, a screw, a Torx screw in there. You can barely see it, but trust me guys, it's in there. Okay, so the, I wouldn't say issue, but the reason why I'm not using the original door handle, to this door, is because the door handle to the ST has like a little push. It's basically for the proximity key, or the key fob. When you're a specific distance away from the, or close to the car, you just press the button, which I'll show you. You press the button on the handle, which the handle was here, and since I am so organized, it is no longer here. And just like that, and with the magic of editing, it has appeared. At any rate, as I was saying, so this has the button, so the proximity button. So again, when you're within a proximity, a certain distance from the door, you just press this button and you can unlock and you can lock the door. So I had to pull that out. This is the OG one, or from the one from the other door. New door. And that's the, I guess the switch, or the connector. So, since this door's all banged up, as you can see and you've seen in the past, since it's all banged up, the hole where I showed you, you can't see it. Now, if you look in there, see, I told you guys there was one there. Right there, that little guy. So I had to cut all this. Just to get to that. Because it was pushed in from the accident. And I couldn't get to it from the normal spot. So, yeah, that was a little hiccup, a little speed bump in along the way, and all that's other shit. Don't worry about that. But anyways, yeah. So I also I believe I have to use a harness because this is the connector for that piece that I showed you right here. So that goes in there. They go, they go like that, and then press that button. Bada bing, bada boom. You can see now we have the door installed, the mirror installed. The only thing is that I need to get a new handle because it's actually broken on this side. So I'm gonna have to get a new handle. But whatever, you know, you get to at least see what it looks like. Let's see, you can get some nice freaking B-roll angles here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But yeah, everything. Oh, I don't have do I have the key on me? Yeah, I do. Let me see. Let me unlock it. All right, okay. All right, that's not working. Oh, you know what? I think I unplugged it because I'm like, what's the point? But as you can see, it opens. But like I mentioned, I don't want to fuck around with it. Sorry, mess around with it. Let's see. What else? Let me see if the door handles have lights. Alright, okay, that's purple. Down here, as you can see, it's freaking cool. I didn't even know. The Focus doesn't have this, which is kind of weird. But, yeah, it's a little too dark. I'll try it at night and see if there's actually any lights in there that I probably missed. But, yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, guys. On to the next one. I cut the video off, but I almost forgot. Let's try out the more important things here. Other than these freaking little lights or whatever. Alright. Okay, that seems to be working. Cool. Bueno. Alright, and the window. Oh. Whoa. I think I know what that is. Yeah. Okay. So that's alright, so there's a wire basically. Yeah, there's a wire there that I have to mess with in this thing too, unless it goes like that. I don't think it goes like that. Negative. Alright, so there's just a few little things that I gotta fix. This little hump right here, the window not going all the way down, but you know, it happens. At least we got to mess with it. The window actually does work, which is a cool thing. So yeah, peace.